and welcome back to the channel. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, how is everybody doing? I done got to the point where I love making videos. Man, I just wish I had started way sooner than what I did. But anyway, this car needs no introduction. Actually, the intro that I made pretty much summed it up. Yes, this is a PT Cruiser. Actually a 2010 model. It looks clean, immaculate. Now I don't want to show the complete car because I don't know how the owner may feel about it. All right, so what I will talk about is the fact that it's still everything purling like a kitten on it. Now, not from a standpoint of high mileage and it's still running good. I'm not bragging on the fact that it has high mileage and still running good, but this one is actually still running good. I just came from a test drive. Y'all know how I feel about test drive. I like to drive them before and after. Before, normally just to see what, I hate surprises. So, and I hate surprises from the customer. If I test drive your car before and I hear a bumping noise, yes, I heard the bumping noise and you can't blame that on me. I will simply jot it down or something like that. But that's not what this video is about. I want to show y'all one particular excellent feature about this car. Now, I wouldn't even call it excellent because it just means that they didn't drive it or they haven't driven it much. You just heard the fan come on. It's not overheating, it's not anything. As you can see the water on, it's raining outside. So, without further ado, let me take y'all to the inside. Again, I want to protect the owner's identity at all costs. So bear with me while I pan this away. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to look at this. Yes. Now don't worry about the brake light. Matter of fact, let me turn the emergency brake off. What I am talking about is the mileage. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I thought that was a misprint. This 2010 PT Cruiser has 7,184 miles on it. Again, 2010. Okay? Wow. That just says one or two things. They haven't driven it much, or they just bought it just they like the way it look, you know, antiquish lookish. They just love a PT Cruiser, but not enough to drive it, you know, to beat it up by driving a gazillion miles. That's not. I actually want to meet the owner, so when I get a chance, I'm gonna go up front and see if the owner there and talk with him. Now, you may be wondering why is it in the shop then, if that's the case. I'll tell you why. No start. It would not start. Now, yes, again, when I grabbed the repair order and noticed the mileage, I immediately thought that was a misprint. Went up to the guy that wrote it up. He said, no, that is correct. So, went outside, turned the key, click, 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 nothing. I'm under the assumption that the battery is just dead. Go get my jump box, jump it off, it fires up. So what that tells me is, yes, the battery was down. Okay, no big deal at all. Batteries do that. Batteries act funny like that sometimes. I don't know why people tend to get shocked or surprised when they're having problems with their battery. There's really no lifespan to a battery. Now, some people will sell you a 5-year battery or even a 1-year battery. Walmart sell 1-year batteries. Dirt cheap. I bought one for my PT Cruiser. It was $50. Now, I'm getting off subject, but what I'm thinking that they're thinking, you will lose the receipt by the time your year up, even if that battery failed. You would not get a chance to utilize the warranty because, first of all, you may not even have the car in a year. So that's what they count on, but no, not me. I'm keeping track of everything. But yes, man, I'm getting off subject. 7,000 miles, ladies and gentlemen. That is not a misprint. This right here is just you know, where you change trips, you set your trip counter and all that. Door ajar, I got the door open. Tire light on, so I'm gonna check the tire pressure. But I'm trying to prevent from exposing the customer's identity. But yes, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I just thought that was pretty cool. I got a lot of PT Cruiser subscribers, okay? Really on my Facebook page. So just want y'all to see that, man. 2010, 7,000 miles, okay? All right, man, that's all I have. I didn't have much to talk about. Just figured I'd bring this to y'all attention. Thanks for watching. comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.